Mountain badge logo full process. Here is a general list of steps you can follow to create a mountain badge logo. Research and brainstorm. Begin by researching mountain logos and badges for inspiration. Look at what other companies have done and what makes their logos effective. Once you have some ideas, brainstorm potential concepts and sketch out some rough drafts. Choose your design elements. Decide on the specific design elements you want to include in your logo. This could include mountains, trees, suns, animals, or other elements that relate to your brand or the message you want to convey. Choose your colors. Choose colors that are appropriate for your brand and that will complement the design elements you have chosen. Consider the psychology of colors and what emotions you want to evoke with your logo. Choose your typography. Choose a font or fonts that will complement your logo design and communicate the right tone and message. A serif font might be more traditional and classic, while a sans serif font might be more modern and minimalist. Sketch and refine your logo design. Start sketching out your logo design and refine it over several iterations. This might include experimenting with different design elements, colors, and typography until you find the perfect combination. Digitize your logo design. Once you have a final sketch that you are happy with, digitize it using design software like Adobe Illustrator. This will allow you to create a clean, vector-based version of your logo that can be resized and used for various applications. Refine and finalize your logo design. Refine your logo design in the digital realm, making sure all design elements are aligned and properly spaced. Make sure the colors and typography are consistent across all parts of the logo. Once you are happy with the final version, save it in various file formats, e.g., PNG, SVG, EPS, for different use cases. Or your logo design. Before releasing your logo publicly, or in different scenarios to make sure it works well across different mediums, like business cards, billboards, social media. Get feedback from others and make adjustments as necessary. Launch your logo. Once you are confident in your logo design, launch it to the public and start building your brand awareness with your new mountain badge logo. Thanks for watching.